and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. It's my very first one, so I won't bore you with the details. I will put that information in the description box below, so just open that up for more information. Just briefly though, it's just a little subscription box that you can sign up for, different increments. You can get shoes, accessories, clothing. I will leave my referral link below. It will allow you $25 off of your box, and then also it helps me as well. It gives me $25 off of mine as well. But like I said, click down below and I will give you more information on that, so I don't have to bore you with that. I know a lot of you just want to watch the unboxing and get on with it. So this is actually my very first unboxing of Stitch Fix. I've never gotten this box before. So I am excited. So you open it up and you get a little mailer to send back any of the items that you do not want to keep. Let's see. You get this little "oh hello" card. Basically tells you of different ways of styling your items, and it has a, I'm not going to look at all the clothing, I'm just going to read the note here. So it says, welcome to Stitch Fix, Allison. I am so thrilled to have the chance to style for you today. I hope you are having a great week as you look forward to some fresh new styles for both work and weekend. Thank you so much for including your request for some leopard flats or booties. Unfortunately, I came up short and I could not include a printed option. I am so sorry, however, I did snag these metallic detail flats from Mia as a fun alternative. Pair them with the bow back top. Ooh, how exciting. From Cloth and Stone, and pair of ankle trousers for a desk to dinner look. More casually, the studio blue skinnies will come in handy on the weekend. Rock them with the striped knit top from Emory Park with the seasonally colored suede drape jacket from Market and Spruce. Sorry if you heard the hissing in the background. We have a kitten in the house and the older cat isn't fond of her quite yet. Finish the look with ankle booties and a crossbody bag. I hope you love it. Cheers, Sarah H. And so it does say, refer a friend, get $25, give $25. So I will definitely include that below, like I had stated. I was like nervous about opening it. I didn't know if it would like show me pictures. So here's my little pricing sheet. Glancing at it, the prices overall didn't look that bad. Put that back there. So here are the shoes. I know the shoes come in these little bundles, and so I'll start there and I'll show you my little burrito. Okay, these are pretty cute. These are pretty cute. They almost look big to me, but it's these black suede flats, and then it has this like metallic strip over the front. It's got this like bronzed color to it. So those are pretty cute. I will definitely give those a shot. Okay, so here's my cute little burrito. I know everybody loves looking at the little burrito. Go to the side in case you can see more. Ooh, pretty. Alright, let's see. So this is the first top. It's very soft as my initial reaction. Cute, okay. So it's got this cute little detail in the front, which I don't wear stripes often, but funny enough, I'm wearing this little top here. I like the little cutout trend that's happening right now. So this is really nice. It's soft. It is the Emory Park 3/4 sleeve cross front knit, dark gray. Maybe I'll give you the prices as we go along. So the flats that I showed you, okay, so the flats are $49. Okay, so this top here is $38. So actually, looking at the pricing, this is one of the least expensive items. Here is this top. So there's this. Next up, we have, I'm not even sure. Okay, I was trying to figure out what the front was. I think this is the front. Let's see. We gotta figure it out. Sorry, guys. So it's this black, it's like thicker almost. This little blouse here. It has buttons going down the front. It's got like a collar, and there is a little tie back here. You might be able to figure out different ways of wearing this. I'll have to play around with it, but this is the Cloth and Stone Estrella bow back detailed top. So it's in black, medium. So this is $88. Initial reaction, pretty expensive. I don't know that I would want to spend $88 for that. This is really soft. This next item, wow. This is so stinking soft. So it's got the nice little like waterfall front. It's from Market and Spruce. I don't know if it'll pick up. It may pick up better like when I wear it. It's very, very velvety soft. It's this kind of like orangey rust color. So this is the Market and Spruce Walley Faux Suede Drape jacket, $88, and they consider it like a burnt orange color, which I would have to agree with them on that. And then lastly, the fifth item I got, oh, I like, oh, these might be boyfriend jeans. So it's got the whiskering up here, and it's got distressed spots here, and it is cuffed at the bottom. Let's see, they call these the Studio Blue Christa distressed skinny jean. Okay, so it almost like looks like maybe it's a boyfriend jean, but maybe it's not. Maybe it actually does cinch in at the ankle. So these are pretty cute. And this is the back. I do like the wash of these. The distressed jean, I don't know if I missed some of the pricing. So the suede jacket is $88. Those jeans I just showed you were $58. So they're saying that the total is $321. The buy all discount, if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So that's $80.25 off. Plus the $25 credit that I got for signing up. So if I got all 5 items, it would be $215.75. So that's okay. So I have my first outfit on. I have 4 of the 5 items on right now. I must say I actually really love everything, so this is going to be tough. So basically I'm wearing everything on my body right now except for the black tie top. Everything fits really nicely. I don't know that I would necessarily pair the flats with this, but I was just trying to get on as much as I could. The only thing that does not fit well are the flats. I always have that problem. I have really small feet. The size 6s that I'm wearing on my feet, they kind of slide around a little bit. So it's almost like wearing a flip-flop. But here's the first one. I love this top. It's soft. It's got a cute little detail. If you wanted to pair a scarf with it, you could. This jacket is velvety soft. I love the length of the shirt as well. So here's the bit of the jeans. The jeans fit like a glove. They are really cute. And I'll bring you guys down. So maybe you can see the shoes. They are really, really cute. Just when I walk, maybe you can see that. They, my foot flips and flops out of them, so that's not going to work. But here's a better view of the jeans. Super cute. And I don't know that I would wear these flats with this look anyway. I'll take off the jacket. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, next up is the bow back detail top. It is size medium, and I almost feel like it's a little too big. Like, it's very slouchy on me. This is the only difference. Everything else that I'm wearing is the same as before. So it's a shorter fit, but it's very loose. Like, I have all this room, and I have short T-Rex arms, so I feel like my hands are swallowed up in the material here. But it is cute though. It has this bell sleeve. So I wonder if they would do like an exchange, maybe size down. Maybe it can be like slouchy, where it's like off the shoulder or something. Yeah, maybe not. And then here's the tie back detail. So for a different look, I basically turned the top around. Now, if you are bigger chested than I, if you don't mind showing a little bit of cleavage, you could definitely wear it this way. Or you could just pair like a really cute bralette under here for a little peekaboo. Now, it's not meant to be worn backwards, but you can. Now, if you can see, it's kind of open in the back like that, but I like shirts. But I do like shirts that you can switch around like that. So this was my very first box. Let me know if I should keep anything. I'm not sure yet. I have to look to see if you can do exchanges to take advantage of the full 25% discount. I have to take a look. Like, honestly, I'm pretty much loving everything. This the flats, they're cute, but they don't fit right. So I don't want to wear a shoe that I'm going to be constantly tripping over my feet. If maybe they can size down, that would be good. This top, as much as I love it, as much as I love like the two different looks you can get out of it, $88 is pretty steep for this. But if you get all 5, you're basically getting this top completely free because it's like $80 off for the discount. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned in the future. I will continue doing more Stitch Fix unboxings. And please use my referral link down below. That helps me out a lot. That'll help me be able to continue to do these videos. And it also helps reward you guys that are new to Stitch Fix because you get $25 off of your box. So until the next video, I hope you have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Bye guys.